From the single copy function we created in the previous chapter, we are now going to dive deeper into Fox. In this chapter, we are going to look at variables, loops, internal tables, and how to debug Fox. Fox code generally follows the following structure. The data declaration must be performed before the operations. We define a variable and type the variable as a predefined types. Any info object can be used to type variables or some other predefined types such as key figure values, integers, or dates. In the parameter screen, we can display the available data types by clicking on the data types button. Data type F is used to temporarily store the value of a key figure. In the previous copy function, we can assign the reference data to a variable and use this variable in subsequent calculations, for example, adding 500 to the reference quantity. This value can then be assigned to our target area. This makes the code less verbose. Operations are generally in the format of key figure name and then various info objects. And these info objects are the info objects to be changed. So if I go to characteristic usage, the fields to be changed are the info objects in the statement. Remember that the values in the operation on the left-hand side of the equal sign must be in the filter, and the operation on the right-hand side of the equal sign in the reference data. This roughly corresponds to a to and a from, where the reference data is typically the data that we read from, and the data target is the area that we write to. Next, we're going to look at variables and loops. The requirements from our customer state that actual volumes from COPA will form the basis of our future planned volumes. The average volumes of the past 12 months should be written to the planned values for the next 24 months.